just in time for Melbourne Cup. When you're planning a cocktail party for more than just a few people, don't bother making the drinks one at a time by yourself. Instead, try a Keg King Cocktail Keg Kit to make serving delicious beverages to your guests simple, fast, and fun. Each keg kit comes with a 20-liter clear plastic junior tank, a tap dispensing kit, mini C02 regulator with disconnect, and 4 CO2 serving bulbs, all for $89.95 each, or get 3 of them for just $85.95 each. Just mix up your cocktail into your preferred ratios in the tank, add any special ingredients to infuse the flavor, put on the pressure, and serve from the included dispensing tap. The beverage combinations you can serve from your Cocktail Keg Kit are endless. Why not get a few of them and thrill your guests with variety? Perfect for the social season, cocktail parties, spring carnivals, or any time a sophisticated beverage array is required at kegking.com.au. Offer available while supplies last.